Hello everybody, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for joining me today. Firstly, apologies if you can hear that incessant noise. Somebody has decided to do some mowing somewhere near where I am, and despite the fact I've got my windows closed, it is super loud, so I can't really do anything about it, but hopefully it doesn't interrupt the video too much. Now, what I'm going to do today is an unboxing video. If you saw my recent 40th birthday present haul type video, you will know that my husband not only bought me a labeler, he bought me some replacement cartridges, and I have decided today is the day to unbox it and use it for the first time, and I thought, well, let's bring you along with me. So this is the Brother H200. It's a fairly substantial size. In fact, it doesn't all fit in the shot. Hopefully we can get around that later on in the video. Now, he was very excited because he told me it prints on fabric ribbons, but looking at the box, it also does patterned tapes and pastel tapes. And then look at the back, it's showing. Now, I'm hoping this is something it does, because this is very exciting if it does. It's showing decorative frames, stylish fonts, patterned backgrounds, continuous frames, and emojis and symbols. So I am very excited by that. And then it says it contains the label printer and a 12mm gold on white ribbon cassette, 4 meters. So I did not realise that these are all different colours, and it obviously comes with the instructions. So then I'm like, well, let's have a look at what these are, and I had not realised these are different colours. So this one is gold on pink tape, 12mm, and again 4 meters. This one is gold on red wine tape, or wine red, whichever your preference. And this one is gold on navy blue. I cannot tell you how happy I am right now. I have so many colour choices. So I'm going to put these to one side and let's get into the box. So it opens from the top here. Ribbon and label printer for crafting is what this lid actually says. So plastic lifts off and we have the printer. Oh, it's quite heavy. Like, it's not overly heavy, but you can feel there's some weight to it. This feels soft. I wouldn't say it feels plasticky. It's like they're like rubber, I would say. We have the screen protector up here. It's obviously where you cut it. Right. Anyway, let's move some bits out the way. We have a random plastic bag. So was it in that? Like, I've not opened this. I wonder if he's had it out and looked at it, because it seems weird that it's not in its bag. I will have to ask, I think. These are the instructions. Right, so we have brother support. We have, what is this? Oh my goodness. Bit scared to unfold it all. I'm guessing that's just some legal stuff. I don't think we're gonna look at that. We have notes. Press the feed button and then cut with scissors. Ribbons should not be placed in a microwave oven. Why would you put ribbons in a microwave oven? And why, in this day and age, do manufacturers feel they need to write that in instructions? Who has done that and then sued them for that to be an issue? Really? Printed output and alignment may vary. In order to use the ribbon cassette, put the Please update your software to the latest version. Oh, okay, so maybe he's already done the update thing and that's why it's out the bag. I don't know. I will ask him later. But anyway, there is that piece. We have labels tested to the extreme. Really? So that looks like a guide on different mills you can get. And the different colours. Okay, that's interesting. And I'm guessing all the things you could label. Okay. What is this? European guarantee. What's this one? For Europe and Turkey. Honestly, why do we need so much paper? Most of this is probably going to go in recycling. What is this one? Right, I'm hoping this is going to be the instructions. There seems to be many different languages. So let me open it up. So that's about warranty and registering. Nope. None of that's about using it. So having gone through every bit of paper in the box, I'm guessing this first one that we pulled out is going to be the instructions. Oh, look. Oh, dear. And I would say they're quite basic. Yeah, they are fairly basic. Instructions, but let's just turn it on and have a play. Right, okay, we have 6 batteries because that is what it takes. It does have this DC power thing at the bottom, so I'm guessing if you use rechargeable batteries it will probably charge them for you. We will see. So let's get these in. Tape. Right, let's open tape up. It shows the spool, shows this bit. I have to say it's not the clearest instructions. So this is white ribbon, and on the back, can you see through there, is gold. Let's go on here like this. I'm guessing that goes through that piece there. Does it click in? Oh, it made a click. Right. Let's see if I've got this right. There we go. Are you able to see what I can see? Okay. Let's start with the menu button. Choose a language. Okay. English. Yes. Accepted. Good. Okay, what do I need to do now? Let's have a look. Okay. Is it moving? Text and format. Okay. Text only. text and format. We've accepted we want English. Okay, so what happens if we start pushing these buttons here? Okay, there is a load of different font styles. What's this one? Okay, let's escape out of that. What happens if we push this button here? Okay, so we can charge large, medium, small letters. And if we click on this one here, normal, bold, outline, shadow, italic and bold. Oh, lots of different things to choose from there. And then we're going to push this one off. That looks like ABC. Box round it. Oh, look, now we're... Wow. Lots of different boxes to choose from. Fun. Love the one with a paper clip. And a binder. Oh, this is going to be hours and hours of fun. I hope this is recording okay. Oh my word, how many? There's loads and loads of boxes. Look, the cat with the wool. This is amazing. This is saying about 12mm tape. I don't know whether there's different boxes for different tapes maybe. Still saying 12mm tape. Oh my goodness. Oh look, fairies. What is? Oh my goodness, this is just... How am I ever going to choose one just to start with? Look how many there are. I like that. That will get used a lot, I think. I like that. Oh my goodness. How many? We're up to like 57, guys. Right, I'm going to stop playing with this feature now. Yeah, what happens if I now push across? Oh, it's just going to keep on climbing. Oh, and we're back to off. So there are 61 different effects I can choose to print on. That's pretty cool. So every time I finish with one of these sections, I am pushing escape, just so you know. I wonder what happens if we push the present button. Select category, ribbon, text, pattern. Ooh, ribbon. Okay, it's interesting. Select design. No way. Oh my word. Oh my word. Text. Select. It will actually print ribbon. Wow! Look, it's gonna, this is the kind of things it would print on the ribbon for you. That's amazing. Okay. I honestly think this is going to be something that you only get used to by playing with it and doing trial and error, because the instructions are really not that great. I couldn't tell you how much this was because obviously my husband bought it for me for a present, but we'll do a really quick print now and then I'll go away. I'll spend some time getting used to it, playing with it, working it out, and then I will come back at a later date and do a full review video on this for you. I am actually working on a project right now that made me want to use this, so let's print a banner for that. So let's push this one and scroll through. Right, let's go with that one. So we'll push OK, and now do we just type? Okay, so I've written out what I want, so I guess now I just print, or do I push OK? Cool. Okay, and we push the scissors. Pretty. Very pretty. However, it's not self-adhesive. So I thought the point of a labeler was kind of that it just stuck. I like that though. I do like that. Not gonna lie. But I would prefer it if it was self-adhesive. Okay, I think this is going to take some trial and error. I'm going to go away, I'm going to use it, and when I've worked it out, I will come back and do a full review video and a proper show you how it works. So I hope you've enjoyed this somewhat crazy but very honest unboxing video. I think videos like this are so important to do because you get a true reflection, a true opinion of how a product is when you open the box and try to use it for the first time. I don't like when someone says it's an unboxing and you can tell that actually they've already had it out, used it, got used to it because they don't want to look stupid on camera. I have no issue making a fool of myself. I have no issue with the fact people were probably sat there screaming at me about turn the tape around, Kate, put it in the back. That's me. I'm a bit daft like that sometimes, but the instructions weren't clear enough for me in particular. Someone else might have looked at them and gone, oh yeah, it's like this. But some people might be like me out there, might need a little bit more guidance. So if this video can even help one person put a tape in the back of their machine, fantastic. But as I say, these are very honest videos. So I will go away and I will learn about it now, and I will come back and probably be like, wow, look at all this that I can do. But equally, I will be able to walk you through how I do whatever I'm going wow about. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you will watch the follow-up when it comes out. When that will be, I honestly don't know, but it will come. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think of this device. Do you have this device? Do you find it easy to use? Are there any different tapes I can use that are self-adhesive? Let me know in comments. I'd love to know. I'm going to go and put this on my project, and you'll probably see that in a future video. So I will be back soon with more videos, and until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.